everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. It's almost Father's Day weekend and it's time to treat our fathers with something nice. A couple of years ago I posted a beautiful recipe, whiskey dark chocolate, extra chocolate ice cream. It's so delicious, it's so creamy, and since then it's tradition. Once a year I make that ice cream. For this ultra creamy, rich ice cream, we need simple ingredients. Cream, of course, heavy cream. We need 4 cups. We need nice quality dark cocoa powder. But use please this high pH, something what is give you more rich flavor. This one is 6 pH and it's very has high amount of cocoa butter. We will also need raw cane sugar, 6 egg yolks. We can use between 6 to 8 egg yolks, depends on the size of your egg yolks. Chocolate chips of your choice, of course. And the key and star of this recipe, it's a whiskey. Please don't try to buy too expensive whiskey. Jack Daniel, I think, will be just fine for that recipe. And did I forget to mention, this is not for children recipe. How cool to make frozen desserts that not treat children. Even in my house, I have to make separate chocolate ice cream so my children will enjoy as well. And as always, every chocolate recipe requires a little bit pinch of salt. It just highlight more a deep chocolate flavor. Add your chocolate chips in a bowl and set up above the hot water. Boiling water, simmering water, and let it melt slowly. Another component to this ice cream, besides chocolate, good quality chocolate, we need to have heavy cream, nice and warm. The milk or cream can boil over very quickly, so please keep eye on, don't go away. But if you do, I have some trick you may not know what to do in order to cream stay in and not boil over. Here's a bottom. And before you even start, it's a little bit too late, but before you even start, when your pot is still cold, you use cold butter and smear around. Basically make your walls in your pot nice and fat, little fat. This fat will help cream or milk or any liquid you boil, or combination of cream and milk, to stay in, so it will not boil over because it will be slippery, it will come back. It's an easy trick, but works. Okay, now on the egg yolks, our third component, our custard base, right? Because it's an ultra creamy and rich, beautiful ice cream. And as always, to temper in hot liquid cream, in our case, we need our egg yolks to make nice and pale with the sugar. We need to whip it. And use mixer for that with attachment. I did not work out today, so I'm using my hand whisk, and let's see what happens. The idea to have your sugar completely dissolved. The chocolate is melted. Now we add in the whiskey. Oh yes, look what happens. Beautiful. And cacao powder. Good chocolate always will produce a good chocolate dessert, right? If you use not good quality chocolate, you're not going to get good quality dessert. Ice cream in this case. Oh yes, Everything incorporates whiskey, cocoa powder, and chocolate chip together. And just a pinch of salt we can add to the cream or to the chocolate. Doesn't really matter. Now we're going to temper an egg. And be careful to not end up with bowl of scrambled eggs. So we're going to lay it with slowly. Start with very little. As fast as you can. Beautiful, gorgeous. You can do anything practically in my house if she's not involved. She's so much into it. At this point, I can feel it's safe to add faster. Maybe 2 egg those at a time, 3. Now return back to pot and we're going to cook slowly. And now the most important part, chocolate. You see how simple to make this ice cream? Oh my goodness. Ice cream. Mama make ice cream. And I have to say, during cooking, most alcohol will evaporate. So if you are not too concerned, you can give to children, but I'm not recommending. On low heat, try to incorporate all those 3 components together. Cream, egg, custard, and chocolate. Until it's all melts into one beautiful chocolate mixture. At this point, it's better to not leave. We need to make sure all melts together, all chocolate, clumps, chunks, and the eggs start a little bit thickening. Look how rich and gorgeous this ice cream mixture. Look, it's already good as it is. Now, we need to cool down and then start charming. Or you can just pour in container and keep in the freezer until it gets almost hard and then stir. It just helps to eliminate of water crystals. But this ice cream, I have to mention, you don't need to do a thing. Just pour in your container and stick in the freezer. You don't need even ice cream maker. And wait until it's fully freeze. Because it's very high fat, it's almost no water in this ice cream. So you don't have to worry about any of those. And one more thing I want to mention, if you do use ice cream machine, you have to cool down until it's room temperature. And then you can start charming. If you have impatient like me, pour just in some containers and stick in the freezer. She won't eat as it is. Several hours pass in my freezer and come look what I got. It's beautiful, almost looks like chocolate fudge, right? Let's see. It has so much creaminess, this ice cream. To try. we are chocolate-holic family, especially my boys. But this ice cream, exceptionally so good. Either you make for your Father's Day or you make for every night summer dinner treat, after dinner treat. Either way, this is, oh yeah, oh yeah, ultra chocolate, ultra rich. It's so delicious. Is like the best chocolate ice cream, honestly. Sorry for those who don't like chocolate ice cream, but this one is the one, is a keeper. I should stop eating because I will finish whole bowl before I know. I hope I inspire you to make this chocolate ice cream. It's so delicious, so good. Make ice cream from scratch. You saw how easy that can be done. I make with matrona, and it's delicious. Give me a like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Make the summer more fun with this frozen treat. Bye, see you next time.